You read that right. Free hats and stickers.
Stickers.
It's just my way of saying thanks for all of you watching my crap channel. To get a free hat, you must be going to Easter Jeep Safari in Moab that first week in April. If you're there, just stop me. Say, hey John, hook me up with a free hat. I will be there in this Chili Pepper Red XJ, dubbed the Tex J, because we're from Texas. So keep an eye out for it. If you see the Jeep but not me, take a picture of it. Maybe a selfie, or even better yet, eating some snacks selfie with the Jeep. And email it to me. I'll have an email at the end of this video, along with your mailing address, and I'll mail you a hat. If you're unfortunately not being able to make Easter Jeep Safari and you'd still like a sticker, just email me your mailing address. I'll be happy to mail you a sticker.